Greetings of the day, dear children. I welcome you all in your EVS class. I hope you all are doing good. In today's class, let us learn what soil pollution is and what are the different factors responsible for soil pollution. Dear students, just like any other pollution, soil pollution has gradually become a significant challenge that we need to overcome for establishing a healthy environment. What exactly this thing called soil pollution is? Soil pollution refers to the contamination of soil with abnormal concentrations of toxic substances like debris, poisonous chemicals, trash, etc. In other words, when the level of such unwanted substances in the soil increases to cause severe damage to living organisms like plants, animals, and even humans, the soil is said to be contaminated or polluted. Causes of soil pollution. What are the factors responsible for soil pollution? There are many factors. First one I have mentioned here is industrial activity. During the process of manufacturing, industries produce lot of waste such as chemicals, paints, harmful gases, poisonous gases that contaminates the soil. Agricultural activities. Farmers use fertilizers right in the fields. Why? For better productivity. Due to excessive use of these fertilizers or due to excessive use of some chemicals like pesticides, weedicides, herbicides, soil gets polluted. Waste disposal. Like biomedical waste is dumped. It includes dressing material, expired medicines, blades, needles, dissected body parts. All these are responsible for soil pollution. Construction activities is the another main cause of soil pollution. So dear students, from the waste produced at giant factories to excessive use of pesticides in the agricultural land, to the garbage, to the trash that we throw away in our homes or schools, all these pollutants pollute the soil, contaminate the soil that leads to soil pollution. So dear students, this was all about what soil pollution is and what are the different causes of soil pollution. Hope you got the idea. Have a good day.